This is a nice one, has a few miles but runs and drives great. 221 HP, 3.5-liter 5.6, front-wheel drive, automatic transmission and lots more. This one is a must-see and priced to move fast. According to AutoCheck Vehicke History Report, this vehicle has had 3 previous owners and no reported accidents. At Cars, Trucks and Toys, all vehicles have a clean title, go through a thorough vehicle inspection, and qualify for extended warranties. We offer in-house financing with flexible terms, so call or come on down today. Credit problems we can help. Cash customers make us a offer. See you soon. Vehicle History Report available on every vehicle.